Guys, we are out here. This is Coverage Contractor's biggest pour to date yet. What do you think, Keith? Are you ready?
I love it. So ready. It's got some mud on the ground.
They're starting to pour over there. Getting the laser screed set up.
Blinking green. That's what we like to see. This thing, not so fun.
What is that? That's like from the
It's old
1800s.
School. Yeah, it's old school. It's for the drain. So.
Oh yeah, the drain right here.
Do the drain with this, and then
yeah.
The rest of it will be laser screeded. All right, guys. Today we're doing a 60 by 174 and a little 24 by 30 ounce jug here, and I'm excited about it. We got some really good help, and we got a trench drain over there. That's why we were fiber screeding it, and then from ever after that, it's all flat, so we'll be using the laser screed. So excited and great help today. So it's going to be an easy pour.
How's it going so far this morning, Keith?
Going really good. We got a lot of rakers, so we're laying it down really flat, and it's fast and looks really smooth. And now we're waiting on concrete trucks. So hopefully they have about a 40-minute one way, so it does take them a little bit. So that's why we're waiting on trucks. But I think there's 11 trucks doing. They each have a round trip, so I think it's around 22 trucks, 208 yards.
Right on. How long do you think it's going to take to pour all this?
I'm hoping we'll have it laid down in about 4 hours, is my hope, if the concrete trucks can hold up that long. A lot about our rebar not getting pulled up into the concrete. You can see it is like 2 inches up, because this is a 6-inch slab, so our rebar is going to be up about 2 inches from the bottom of the gravel. So we always pull it up while we're pouring. We all pull it up, so you can see how it's all off the ground, about 2 inches off the ground. Look at that. Beautiful.
How long do you think it's going to take for the concrete to set up?
I'm hoping an hour after we're done with that side, we should be able to put the riders on that side.
Right on.
You watched YouTube last night.
Wow, I got it all done, Keith.
Finally done. I think it was a little over 4 hours. Actually, about dead on 4 hours.
Yeah, right there.
Close, so. Yeah, I'm happy. Now I'll just set up and put some riders on. Rider shelves.
Right on. How's that? How's this?
It's actually going, I would say, in another 30 minutes, 20 minutes, we're gonna put some trowels on it. So
Right on.
it's actually perfect timing.
Fantastic. Looking there, Keith.
It's good. Normally I know when to put this on when I step in on it, and I think at about 1/8 of an inch. And then that's usually pretty close to start troweling. We're cleaning up, and I'm waiting to hit with the rider probably like one more time. And I'm gonna keep the 4-footer out just in case we need to hit some areas with that. But the rider makes it take longer, but it's such a big slab, I don't feel like hitting the whole slab with the 4-footer or 3-footer. So just gonna wait a little bit and see what the rider does to finish it up.
Well, Keith, how's that feel to have that done?
I am so happy, so happy. And it turned out really good, which makes me even more happy. Just to be done and then it's bad, not a good feeling. But it turned out really good, so I'm happy.
We've never had that before, so good thing it wasn't this one.
I'd be lying if I never did.